Now let's take a look at the pencil tool and the pen tool. The pencil tool. So the keyboard shortcut to the pencil tool is the letter N. We can see we have a tear out, so I'm going to pull this on out, and there we have it. When we grab the pencil tool and we come to our artboard, when we see the asterisk, we're starting a path. So we can click run around, and when we close it, we will see the circle. Our goal in Adobe Illustrator is to have closed paths. We can choose a color and we have our shape. We grab our direct select tool, we can see our different anchor points. When we take a closer look at our pencil tool and the tear outs, we also have the smooth tool. So when we take the smooth tool and we go around the paths and we look at the anchor points in the paths, what this very much does is it gets rid of the anchor points so there aren't so many. Our shapes are cleaner when there are less anchor points. So we can say one of our goals when we're making shapes is to use less anchor points. I'm going to do this one more time. I have my closed shape, which I can refer to as my object. I grab my pencil tool. I begin a path. I see I have the asterisk, which is saying I'm beginning a path. I click onto the artboard. I begin to draw. I come around to close my path. I know I'm closing my path because I see the circle, and I can choose my fill color, and I have a second shape. To move my shape, I grab my black arrow and I can move it around. I am going to take a quick look at the pen tool. The pen tool is very complicated, and there will be more videos that really go in depth with the pen tool. The pen tool also has a tear out. So, and the keyboard shortcut to the pen tool is the letter P. So I can click and I have my pen tool tear out. With the pen tool, it works similar to the pencil tool. When I come to my artboard, I know I'm starting a path because I see my asterisk. Now, I'm going to just click, 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 and I can close my path. I see my circle. I have a closed path. When I take a closer look at this, though, I can see by just clicking and releasing my mouse that I have hard edges. If I wanted more curved organic edges, this is how I would proceed. I would grab my pen tool, I would click, pull out a handle, 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 and there we have it. So again, when we have organic shapes, our organic shapes end up with handles. And this is how it works in Illustrator. Even when I come over here and I click, I should see these ones. It's interesting, these ones. Okay, these ones do have handles. They're a little bit smaller. They're a little bit more compact. But see, again, any curved shape is going to have a handle, and you can grab your white arrow and you can come in and you can adjust your shape. What's really amazing about the pen tool as a tool, even though it's a harder one to learn, you have a lot of control when you are creating shapes. You have complete control where you place your anchor points, and that is the power of the pen tool.